All right, just go ahead and laugh. I'm about 2.5 hours to dry. It feels like I'm dry. I tried a new application technique after watching Mell's by Main's YouTube video. I'll add a link to that in the comments so you can check it out too. We're gonna see how it worked. I'm just gonna take my root clips out. Yes, I'm in the car because you know what? Life does not wait for curls. I have trouble. Does anybody else have trouble getting those clips out? So it takes me a minute, so bear with me. I may cut this video, trim it a little so you don't have to watch all that. Or I may just pause and come back because it looks like I need 2 hands. I bent my clips for the first time today and I'm not sure I'm loving that, so because trying to get them out is not pleasant. So any tips y'all got for me for that? I'm gonna go ahead and pause and I'll jump back in a second when I get them all back out. Okay? Woohoo! All right, I got the clips all out. I do feel still a little bit of dampness, so I'm going to wait to do anything else. My product lineup, so you can hear about that. I use all InnerSense Hydrate. So today I used the Hydrate Cream Bath and Hydrating Cream Conditioner, I think it's called, and I create Quiet Calm Curl Gel, and the Sweet Spirit leave-in, not in that particular order. I did the leave-in and then the curl gel, and then I used flaxseed gel. So I don't have much of a cast. I do feel a few crunchy spots, but I don't usually get a big cast with the flaxseed. I'm not sure why. It seems like other people do, and no matter if I use a lot or a little, I just don't get much of a cast. So I'm not sure that I'm using the doing the gel right. Who knows? I don't know. But my curls are turning out great, and that's really all that matters at the end of the day. But I'm going to give, again, this hair a little more time to dry before I start fluffing. This actually, so far, for me, looks like a pretty great curl day, and I have a feeling tomorrow, day 2, is going to be even better. I'll be back with more in just a little bit when this all gets dry. Bye. All right, it's been hot, sweaty morning. I have been all over the world, so whatever minimal cast I may have had, I don't usually, like I said, get much of a cast from my flaxseed. Sorry about the glow. This is the best I got today. Catch my breath. It's been a long morning. So like I said, I don't have very much cast, and I did already put my hair pulled back. But so I did the technique recommended by Main's by Mell. I'll tag her video in the comments. And went on about my morning errands, pulled my hair back a little bit, and so now I'm gonna take it back down and fluff and break out whatever crunch is still minorly there. So you ready? Let's see if it worked. I do have a little bit of frizz. I'm not concerned about that. It is 88 degrees. Haven't checked the humidity today, but it's probably up near 90 or 100, as much as I've been sweating today. All right, so there we go. That's just straight down. This is good for me, especially having pulled it back. So I don't want you to compare my curls to Mell's because we have a very different head of hair. And of course, she's been at this a lot longer than me and knows what she's doing, where I'm just kind of learning. All right, so we're gonna flip. I don't know if you can still see me. I just kind of do a rub. Y'all, I am in no way, shape, or form qualified to teach anybody anything. My goal here today is just to show you a real person taking advice from people, okay? Now, don't judge Mell by my frizz, because that's not her, that's on me. So, here we go. So there, I think we did all right. I don't feel any crunchy, pardon my roots. Debating, anybody else going through that debate of growing your roots out? You want me to do a little spin so you can see it all? I usually just wear my hair parted in the middle, but I know you ladies like the volume of having it on the side. So there it is, parted on either side. Look at that. I did do a few finger curls, but not many, because you see this, hours, and I just didn't have it this morning. Not hours really, but it would probably take me a solid 20 to 30 minutes to finger curl it all, but I always do try to just do a couple. And I have to share this, it's kind of funny. At the end of Mell's video, she showed a big clump of a finger coil, and the funny thing is that not as big as the one that she showed, but I do large finger coils, but it gives me nice big giant ringlets, but it's not going to give you that big beautiful fluffy curl pattern that most of you are looking for. So, but I like it. I don't get anything at the roots or anything like that, but I learned from her how to properly do that. So yay! So all my people that I follow, there's a couple that I'm gonna forget. Mains by Mell, Curl Ninja, Logan Spring, Curly Connections, and Honest Liz is on YouTube, and I think Instagram, and I'm pretty sure she's on YouTube too. And there's another lady that I just love, and I can't remember her name right now, but I'll try to put a tag if y'all are interested. But I have learned so much, especially from Curly Connections and Mains by Mell. So all great. There's so much information out there. So I hope that this helps you see what happens to a real person. I'm still very early in my curly journey, so please don't ever expect my hair to be perfect. And like I said, I am in no way qualified to teach anybody anything. My styling products are InnerSense and washing, etc., are InnerSense, all InnerSense, and flaxseed gel. That's all I'm using at the moment. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a little twirl. Just make sure I have some poof to show you first. I'll stand on my toes so you can see what is down at the bottom. I have no idea what you're seeing right now. But anyway, so this is gonna give me a great, like, you see this little section right here in the front? It always gets a little wonky right there, and the main problem for me is that I'm always touching my hair. So usually if I want that to look better, I'll just spritz a little water and scrunch it a little, and day 2 is gonna be bomb. I can tell just by what it looks like right now. So rest of the day, I'm probably gonna keep it down as much as I can, but I'll probably pull back the front like I did before. But again, parting in the middle is my go-to. So for one thing, I just like the look of it, but for another thing, it keeps it out of my face a little more. Mom and busy and life and all those things, I'm just not of the age and lifestyle to have, you know, nice romantic curls blowing all over my face all day, because I'm past that. So hope this was helpful to those of you on your curly journey, and I wish you all the very, very best. Go ahead and give me a like, and if you want to see more later, I might do some more of these, I don't know. Go ahead and hit subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.